stage, before costume, before spotlight, there was a thing called earth. And from the forest and hills of Odisha, dance was born from itself. Today, we step into the world of Odisha's tribal dance, where dance, it's not just performed, it's lived. Odisha is home to more than 60 indigenous tribal community. From the hills of Koraput to the forest of Mayurbhanj to the mountains of Malkangiri. Each tribe carries its own tradition, music, attire and dance. For them, dance is not a separate art form. It is woven into daily life. In the southern district of Odisha, especially Koraput, the Gadava community performs the vibrant Dhimsa dance. Women join hands forming circles. The movement is simple, the rhythm is steady and the unity is powerful. Dhimsa is performed during harvest, wedding and community gathering. It celebrates togetherness. In the northern region like Mayurbhanj, the Santal tribe performs energetic group dances. Men and women move in long chains, stepping in synchronized rhythm. The Mandar drum guides their movement. The dance reflects joy, seasonal change and celebration. The Bonda tribe of Malkangiri, one of the oldest communities of Odisha, perform dances that reflects their mountain life. Their traditional jewelries and attire make their identity distinct. The Kondh tribe, found in Kandhamal and Rayagad district, performs ritualistic dances connected to agriculture and nature worship. Every movement is a form of gratitude towards the Mother Earth. Tribal dances are inseparable from their music. Instruments like Madar, Gol, Nisan and Mahuri creates a raw and natural rhythms. There are no complex codified gestures. The body moves naturally like wind through trees. These dances carry stories. Stories of harvest, stories of seasons, stories of ancestors. Through dance, traditions are passed from one generation to other. In a rapidly changing world, these tribal dances remind us of something very essential, our roots. Tribal dance is not made for applause, it's made for connection. Connection with the soil beneath our feet, with the sky above and with each other. They teach us the culture does not always need a grand stage. Sometimes it only needs community. As long as there are forests that breathe, as long as there are hands that join in rhythm, these dances will continue. They are not just tradition of our past. They are living, breathing heritage. This is the rhythm of Odisha's tribal soul. Jai Jagannath.